3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Piper. Happy birthday to you.
It's your birthday today.
Well, Piper, my friends and I wanted to wish you happy birthday. Love you, kiddo. You're 23.
Yeah, go.
Okay, say happy birthday and say.
Happy birthday, Piper. I'm sorry.
Happy birthday, Miss Piper.
All right, Leona, say happy birthday. All right, Sonia, say happy birthday to my sister.
Piper.
All right, guys. All right, say bye.
Bye.
All right.